You're about to see a bizarre and unsettling encounter that took place in Pasco County, Florida. Deputies say 41-year-old Joseph Pemberton had just been released from the hospital when he caused chaos on a local road with 4 children in his care watching. Body camera footage from Sergeant M. Rosenblum shows Pemberton backing his pickup truck into the deputy's vehicle, then exiting in nothing but his underwear. What followed was a strange and erratic outburst, ending with deputies using a taser to bring him under control. Authorities say he was shouting warnings about something blowing up and later claimed to have had a revelation. He now faces serious charges, including aggravated battery.
What's going on, man? What's going on? Related to the welfare check I have on Alex Lane. Number 1, can you advise the subject description for me, please? Nova 1 is wearing only a pair of boxer shorts. He's in the middle of the road. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Get on the ground, man. I'm 10-4. I've got one at taser point right now. He's refusing to comply. Get on the ground, man. Just chill out. Chill out, man. Chill out. Hey, man, get in the car. Don't resist, brother. Thank you. Return enforcement. Okay. Thank you. Holy shit. Number 1, I got one tase. What's going on with you, man? Why are you acting like this? Are you okay?
How come you didn't see me get in the head? You were hiding.
Say what?
How come you didn't see me get in the head and you're hiding?
I don't understand what you're talking about, brother.
Hey, you got my cell phone?
What happened down here? Are you involved in anything?
So the truck was all slammed. I don't know who he is.
All right, just relax.
But it wasn't there. Oh, he hit him? No. I hit the truck right away. Come back around.
I kind of avoided him getting in the truck.
Started backing up and well, that's just trying to get away.
Number 1, I got wire.
Running away from my kids.
All right, just relax, man. Chill out. Chill out, man.
Can you unlock me? Oh, please.
No, sir. Not because of the way you were acting.
I promise I won't do that again. Oh,
I would hope not.
that fucking hurts so bad.
I got another car coming. Yeah. You all right? Talk to me. Tell me what's going on with you. Where's your clothes?
They're coming. I ran out of the house. I had a revelation, man. I thought nuclear bombs were coming. I was tricked. I was tricked, or it's gonna happen tomorrow. What's today?
Today.
It happened on the 2nd, I think.
Today's the 2nd.
Oh shit. What's gonna happen? It's gonna happen. The nuke's gonna happen. It's gonna
I
fall.
need to get this barb out of his chest.
Oh my god.
Why'd you hit me?
I would never hit a cop. I never have him.
Why'd you hit my car?
I would have never.
All right. Just relax a second. I'm going to pull this out, okay?
Ow! It hurts. I was possessed. Oh! I swear to God, I've never been through nothing like that. Not like that. Oh!
Down here in his groin.
That was crazy. It hurt so bad. fine. I'm sorry for hitting you, but if I did, I don't think I did. I went right through you.
What are your thoughts on how this situation was handled? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life stories and updates like this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.